Is plugging your phone in sometimes a hassle? Well, now with this Lego charging dock, it's not. And there you have it. That is how to build a very simple way to make your life a little bit easier. You can just slide your phone into the charger, and it also doubles as kind of like a stand to hold your phone up if you want to watch something, for example, or film a TikTok, something, you can do that too. So it's going to be really sturdy in there. This thing is not going to move around. It's definitely pretty thick. It's heavy. It's not going to move. You got your charger coming out here, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial because this took me a long time to design, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to see more tutorials like this. But without further ado, I hope everyone has a great day.